Welcome to another thrilling Dashcam compilation. Get ready to witness the unexpected, the unbelievable, and the downright shocking moments captured on the road. Buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive into the action.
There's a village in the middle of nowhere, typical Japanese village technically, and really close by the fence. Wow! Dude, what the fuck? No, leave him be.
That post, so she had to quit her dream job of being a cashier at Aldi soon after that. She had to break
Oh
up
my
with her
God.
boyfriend and moved across the country.
I had to guess, I'd say he's in his late 20s.
Give me a beat-by-beat breakdown of the commercial. Yes. Wig goes all out to prove why she should be the face of the dumb.
Floating, but I won't surrender to the tide inside of me, drowning in the endless silence, but I'm
Ah! Fuck!
meant to be. I see your light. Take me away from me, beyond the stratosphere.
Behave yourself, buddy. Behave. No, he's not.
Shit.
Oh!
Shit.
Oh!
Shit.
Oh! 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 Oh!
I have
Yeah.
dashcam footage.
I've got frozen ones though.
Yeah, perfect.
Where the fuck are you going?
I remember the cabin in Tennessee. We got so high we cried, and you looked like heaven in the passenger seat, but life just passed us by, 'cause we were looking for the main
Kindness is evil. Got it.
Yeah.
All right.
She says engaged.
Congratulations! I guess some questions are meant to be answered and some aren't, and some are meant to be. I guess some questions are meant to be answered and some aren't, and some are meant to be answered in the Tower of Inquiry, baby. It's time.
I've been over and smelled the angry wire. You gotta be crazy to be on that. But there's nothing, no magnetic field. It's gonna sting, Carl.
I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me loyalty. 'Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling.
Wow. This girl looks really nice right now. Whoa! That guy just hit the fucking side of the fucking wall there.
Did he really?
In 1 mile, turn left onto Old Graceville Road.
What the fucking hell?
Best feeling ever, seriously. What the fuck?
That was close.
Oh, that's please. Oh, he hit a car. He hit the car.
Hey, yo! What the fuck going on, bitch? What the fuck? Pull the fuck over now. I'm gonna chase your ass. bet. Hey, Dad, She just got to a house right now, actually.
Okay. What's the address?
The address is...
Okay, don't confront her, okay?
I'm not.
Okay, yeah, just follow her the side of the road.
Cool.
Okay, just follow her the side of the road.
Yeah.
Get to meet. I'm gonna tell them you're gonna meet there. Don't get out of your vehicle.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll have them go out there, okay?
Yeah, I got you.
Is she going to the house?
No, she's not, but she's going through some, like... She's trying to cut through, basically.
Okay, sir, I don't want you to...
Yeah, no, you're fine.
Anything more, okay?
Yeah, you're fine.
Don't beat the horn, don't do anything more, okay? I know I'm fine. I need you to be fine.
Yeah.
So I need to stop, don't follow her, do nothing else. I'll be like to deal with, okay?
Yeah.
You just stay right there and
Now,
talk
yeah, she just drove off right now. She's off again. I'm not following her much, but she's on, what's it called, heading westbound right now. She's a cop right now. Is the cop right there? Yeah. Yeah, you saw him kind of flapping down a little bit. Yeah, the cop's about to U-turn right now, actually. Yeah, he's like, yep, now they're following her now. Now they're following her. They got lights now on for her.
Okay.
I'm right behind the cops. Thank you.
Just wait there and the officer will get you out. Okay.
Thank you. Hey, bud. How you doing?